thank you, Elsa.
What's up, guys? We are finally here in Singapore at the Parkroyal Collection Hotel that is located in Pickering. Is that how you say it? Pickering? Anyway, so this room is the Urban King room. And there's the bathroom. The moment you step into the room, you already get into the bathroom. Look at this. See? One step, and I'm in the bathroom. They have a separate room for a toilet. You have a hair dryer here. You have toothbrush, toothpaste, shaving cream kit. You have a little small hand lotion. You got a hand soap bar right here. And this is the first time I've seen this in a hotel. This right here is a water filter. So if you want to drink water, you can just drink it directly from this right here. Yeah, that's pretty convenient. You have body soap, conditioner, and shampoo. This room doesn't have a rain shower, and that's okay. It's not a big deal. Considering the price of this room is $200 a night. However, if you book this room during peak season, it can go up to $600 a night. So keep that in mind when you book this hotel. You better book it way earlier. Oh, you might be wondering, what the hell? This bathroom doesn't have a door. It does have a door. Look. Ta-da! So yeah, that's the door. Okay, now we go on to the king size bed. Oh my god, this mattress feels nice. Oh, this is memory foam. It's hybrid. It's hybrid memory foam. You can see that. It's so comfortable, this bed. Okay, let's see the view. Oh, there's a view of the main street right there, right? Is it? It's a garden view. Anyway, it doesn't matter about the view. It's gonna be buildings anyways. Oh, you get a nice TV. It's a pretty good sized TV. You have a safe. You have laundry service. You have slippers. You have a bathrobe. You have a iron. You have iron board. You have a umbrella. Okay. Next, you have a nice. Oh, this is the first time I've seen this kind of chair, office chair. Oh, there is breakfast from 6 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. And let's see if there's any you see that right there at the Lime restaurant, breakfast is 6:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. They also have lunch and afternoon tea and also dinner. Basically, you could eat all your meals in this hotel. They have a bar too. The bar is open all the way till midnight. There's a gym. There's also a swimming pool. Let's check it out. Anyway, this hotel is huge. There's a lot of things to see in this hotel. I'm gonna show it to you guys. Let's see what you have. Oh, you have an Ethernet. You have the Ethernet cable for your laptop if you want quicker internet. Let's see what's inside here. You have a mini bar. Please note the items removed from the mini bar for more than 60 seconds will be charged. Okay, thanks for letting me know. But there's nothing to remove. It's a completely empty mini bar. So you have a water machine. You guys know I like to see a hot water machine. So that's it. That's it. I love this room already. It's my favorite room. You got teacups. You have, oh my lord. You have 3 TWGT. All right, let me tell you guys about TWTG. Okay? This, if you go to Singapore, you have to bring this home. You got to buy these tea and bring it home. These tea are so good. Trust me. Let's see. There's some matcha coffee. I heard about this brand right here. This coffee is super good. You gotta try this. Let's see. You got sugar. Yeah, you got sugar. You got cream. Okay, what's next down here? You have a lot of 2 wine cups and 2 what is it, like whiskey cups? Very nice. And that's there's nothing left for me to show you of this room, so I'm gonna show you around the hotel. Okay,
Now, hopeless, the direction.
Hand-pulled noodles and also dry noodles. So this is number C and this is number A. This is surprisingly really good. The next one here. You know what, guys? I like it. It's like a very like a home noodle taste, you know? Okay, we got another dish right here. It's called Quay. It looks like, you know, roast pork in soy sauce. Oh, what's the extra sauce here? So it's marinated, a bunch of marinated meat right here. It looks like stomach or whatever. Wow, the garlic. Oh my lord, the garlic flavor is so intense. I've never ate anything like that. So guys, if you're coming to eat here, it's expected to be very noisy, very hot, and it just, I'd rather be in the AC mall right now. Let's just make it very simple like that, okay?
핑크빛 구름 네 손에 날개 좀 초콜릿
Okay, so we are in the Donki store in Singapore, and it's only one floor. There's not a lot of things to see here, but I found something really good. Hokkaido rolls. This looks good.
Because that is easy.
And also this one here, the La Cream Puffs. It's made from Hokkaido milk. Tiramisu. Come on. This one too. You see that?
Wow.
This pudding right here. Look at this pudding. It's like 5 SG for a pudding. It's not that bad. Oh, brown sugar. See, this is the stuff you want to get. This is my favorite Japanese coffee. Boss coffee. And here's another thing you should get. Butter inside a tube. But don't get the regular butter. You want to get the one that's garlic. That has garlic in there. Oh, this is so good, this one. Move on. Look what I found. One of my favorite cup noodles. You guys gotta get this. Just give me all of it. Look what I found. It's really hard to see it, but it's up here. Black pepper crab. It says Singapore, right? So this must be a Singapore exclusive. Let's try one. And then what sounds good is this one too. Truffle Carbonara. Truffle Carbonara. Have you ever seen this flavor anywhere? No. Let's try it. This is why you want to go to the Donki store, so you can find stuff like this. Actually, it's quite useful. It's good. It's only like what? How much is this? Like a 20 bucks? So it comes out to like
30.
yeah, like a 14 bucks for this. And you know what's funny? It's also 50% off. Look at this. Look, come here, look. Devil Wife single blow, 50% off. You kidding me? If I don't get this, there's something wrong with me. Oh, I found another thing right here. These are eye drops, and these eye drops is like when you drop in your eye, you feel refreshed. You can use it with or without contacts, but make sure it says with or without contacts. I bet you don't have this. I'll tell you why you don't have this. This nail clipper here, when you cut your nails is gonna fall into the thing in there, and then you just pull it out, and then you can just throw away your nails. If you don't have this, all your nail clips is gonna be like all over the floor in your house. You guys need this. It's hiding down right there. Crocs. Donki Crocs. And you know what? It's only like 20 bucks. It's 20 bucks for this. So that's it for Singapore trip part 1 video. For the next video part 2, I'm gonna show you guys the best thing to eat in Singapore, which is chili crab. If you're going to Singapore, you have to try chili crab. There's nowhere else that make it this good. I'll also show you guys more about what we did in Singapore. Like always, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.